How to download iOS 27 beta without computer. At first, open Safari browser on your iPhone. In the search bar, type and search developer.apple.com. Now open the Apple developer website. Tap on Sign In button here at the top. Now sign in with your Apple account. Scroll down to the bottom and select No, then tap on Agree. Now tap on I'm not interested. Then go back to your settings. Tap on General. Now tap on Software Update. If you still don't see the beta updates here, swipe down to refresh the screen. Now tap on Beta Updates. From here, select iOS 27 Developer Beta. Now go back and see iOS 27 beta is available. Tap on Update Now. Enter your iPhone passcode. Tap on Agree on these terms and conditions. Tap on Agree for confirmation. Update will start downloading on your iPhone, and that's it.